Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ziplines in Metro Exodus. First, you must unlock the ability to use them. This happens after you meet Crest in the Volga region and complete his mission. During this part of your journey, Crest will provide you with the crucial zipline harness. This piece of equipment is absolutely necessary for any zipline traversal, so ensure you have it before attempting to use any lines. Once you have the harness, proper positioning is key. To initiate a zipline descent, you need to stand directly at the very top of the zipline's starting point. Make sure you are facing the general direction of the zipline's path. Sometimes, the exact spot can be a bit particular, so adjust your stance slightly if the interaction prompt does not immediately appear on your screen. With correct positioning, an interaction prompt will appear. To activate the zipline, simply hold down the designated use button on your controller or keyboard. This action usually takes approximately 1/2 second to register. Once activated, Artyom will automatically attach to the line and begin his swift descent, allowing for quick and efficient travel across various areas. For a smooth experience, always double-check that you have the zipline harness. If the use prompt isn't showing, try moving around the zipline's start point a little. Sometimes a precise angle is needed. Ziplines are an excellent way to quickly cover distances and bypass dangerous areas, offering a strategic advantage in many situations throughout your journey. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.